Please welcome Chargé d'Affaires of U.S. Embassy Hanoi,
Xin mời
Christopher Klein.
chúng ta mời ông đại biện lâm thời Christopher Klein lên phát biểu.
Hello, everyone, and
Xin
welcome.
chào.
Thank you all for attending this historic and timely event as we discovered in 2020, securing the strength and vitality of our health systems is the key to ensuring public safety and economic prosperity. The COVID-19 pandemic is a reminder that the ever-present national and global security threat, particularly as the world becomes more interdependent and connected. As such, it is critical that we establish effective channels to share information on swiftly developing disease outbreaks, as well as to coordinate to ensure such a crisis does not hit so hard again. The U.S. government is committed to building those connections and to working together to build the health capacity of the region. I look forward to hearing from our speakers today about how our cooperation in making a difference, especially right now, is so important. Today, I am also pleased to celebrate the establishment of the CDC Southeast Asia Regional Office in Hanoi, Vietnam, with Vice President Kamala Harris, Deputy Prime Minister Pham Binh Minh, the leadership of the U.S. Department for Health and Human Services, including CDC, and Ministry of Health representatives from throughout the ASEAN region and Papua New Guinea. The United States remains constant in its commitment to combat COVID-19 in this region, now more than ever. So now I would like to introduce Deputy Prime Minister Minh to share some opening remarks. Thank you.
Thưa bà Kamala Harris,
Your
Phó Tổng thống
Honorable
Hợp chủng
Kamala
quốc Hoa Kỳ,
Harris, Vice President
thưa
of the
quý vị
United
và
States
các
of
bạn,
America, distinguished delegates,
thay mặt
ladies
chính
and
phủ Việt Nam,
gentlemen, on behalf
tôi
of the
chúc mừng
Vietnamese government,
việc khai
I would
trương
like to
văn phòng
extend
khu
my
vực Đông Nam Á của
congratulations
Trung tâm Kiểm soát
to the
Bệnh
launching
tật
of the US CDC
Hoa Kỳ.
Southeast Asia Regional Office today.
Đây là sự kiện quan trọng và
This
rất
is a
có ý nghĩa
truly
khi đại dịch
significant event,
COVID-19
especially
đang
amid
diễn
the
biến
complicated
phức tạp
evolution of
và đặt ra yêu cầu
COVID-19
cấp thiết
and the
tăng
resulting
cường hợp tác
urgent
quốc tế
demand to foster
và
a
khu vực
stronger international and regional
dịch.
cooperation to contain this
Việc
pandemic.
lập văn phòng CDC
The launching
Đông
of
Nam
the
Á
US CDC Southeast
cho thấy
Asia
ưu tiên
Regional
cao của chính
Office
phủ Hoa Kỳ trong
reflects
hợp
the
tác với
high
khu vực
priority
về
that
y
the
tế nói
US
chung
government places
và
on
kiểm
its
soát dịch
cooperation
bệnh
with the
nói riêng.
region in healthcare and disease
Có thể
control.
nói,
It can be
đây là ví
said
dụ
that
điển hình
this
của sự
bears
hợp tác
vivid
ngày càng chặt
testament
chẽ
to the
giữa Hoa
ever-growing
Kỳ và
collaboration
khu vực
between the US and
vì
the
lợi ích
region
chung cũng
for
như góp phần
mutual
vào các nỗ
interest
lực toàn cầu
and for global
về bảo
efforts
vệ
to
và
protect
chăm
the
sóc
health of the
chăm sóc sức
people.
khỏe cho người dân. Trong hơn 20
Over the
năm qua,
past 20
hợp tác y
years,
tế luôn là điểm
healthcare
sáng trong quan
cooperation
hệ
has
giữa Hoa
always
Kỳ
been a
với khu
highlight
vực.
in the ties between the
Đối với
US
Việt
and the
Nam,
region.
Y tế
As
là
for
lĩnh vực
Vietnam,
quan
this
trọng
is
trong
a
quan hệ
key
đối
area
tác
of
toàn diện Việt
cooperation
Nam
in the
Hoa Kỳ.
Vietnam-US Comprehensive
Kể từ
Partnership.
khi đại dịch
Since the
COVID-19 bùng
outbreak of
phát,
COVID-19,
các nước Đông Nam
Southeast
Á
Asian
và Hoa Kỳ
countries
đã tăng
and the
cường hợp
US
tác
have
trong
worked
phòng chống
closely
dịch,
together
khắc
to
phục
combat
hậu
this
quả dịch
pandemic,
bệnh
mitigate its
và phục hồi
consequences,
kinh tế
and foster
thông qua
economic
nhiều hình thức
recovery via
như hợp tác
multiple
duy trì các
formats.
chuỗi cung ứng,
These
hỗ trợ
endeavors
lẫn nhau
include
về vật tư,
cooperation
trang
to
thiết bị
maintain
y
supply
tế.
chains and mutual assistance
Chúng tôi
in
đánh giá
terms
cao
of
việc
medical
Hoa Kỳ đã
equipment
viện
and
trợ gần
supplies.
24 triệu
We highly
liều
appreciate the
vaccine
US donation
cho
of
khu vực.
around 24
Việt
million
Nam cũng đã
vaccine
nhận được
doses to
hơn
the
5 triệu
region.
liều vaccine Moderna
Vietnam
của Hoa
alone
Kỳ
has received
và đã
over
hoàn
5
tất
million
thủ tục để
Moderna
nhận hơn 1
doses
triệu
from the
liều
US
vaccine
and
Pfizer
finalized
trong
procedures
tuần
to
này.
receive more than 1 million
Tôi hoan
Pfizer
nghênh Hoa Kỳ
doses
đã
this
lựa chọn
month.
Hà Nội
We
là địa
welcome
điểm
the US
đặt văn
decision
phòng.
to open this office in
Qua đó thể
Hanoi.
hiện sự
This
phát triển tốt
shows
đẹp
the
cũng như
excellent
triển vọng tươi
development
sáng
and
của quan
vast
hệ đối tác
potential
toàn
of
diện
the
Hoa Kỳ
Vietnam-US
Việt Nam.
Comprehensive Partnership.
Việt Nam sẽ tạo điều kiện thuận lợi
Vietnam
để văn
stands
phòng hoạt động
ready
hiệu
to
quả.
facilitate the effective
Chúng
operation
tôi
of
cũng
this
tin tưởng
office.
rằng văn
We are
phòng
also
CDC
convinced
tại
that
Hà
the
Nội
US CDC's
sẽ hợp
regional
tác
office
chặt
in
chẽ
Hanoi
với
will
các
work
đối tác
closely with
trong và ngoài khu
partners
vực
within
vì
and
mục tiêu cao
outside the
nhất là bảo
region
vệ và chăm
in
sóc một
pursuit
cách
of the
tốt nhất
crucial
sức
goal
khỏe
of
của người dân.
ensuring the best healthcare services for the
Nhân dịp
people.
này,
On this occasion, I do hope that you, Madam Vice President, will continue to devote your due attention to encouraging U.S. partners to timely provide vaccines, medications, and medical equipment to Southeast Asian countries, including Vietnam, to help us overcome this pandemic, resume production and business activities, and foster economic development soon. May the U.S. CDC's regional office witness great accomplishments, making meaningful contributions to strengthening the cooperation between the U.S. and Vietnam and the region. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Deputy Prime Minister Ming, for your insightful and inspiring words. And now, I would like to introduce and invite to the stage the Vice President of the United States of America, Kamala Harris, to launch the CDC Southeast Asia Regional Office. Thank you.
Thank you, Chris. It is an honor to be here to celebrate the launch of the Southeast Asia Regional Office of the United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. It is one of 4 such offices in the entire world, and a testament, a true testament, for our commitment to this important region. So thank you to all of those who made the opening of this office possible. It is an honor to be here today with all of you, the leaders charged with keeping Southeast Asia healthy. There has never been a more important time to do this important work and to join together in partnership. The pandemic has taught us that our world is more interconnected and interdependent than ever before, and that the threats we face are accelerating more rapidly. We have all felt this deeply, both as COVID-19 has taken millions of lives around the world, and as our world has come together to develop and distribute vaccines that are saving millions of lives. This January, when President Joe Biden and I took office, we were determined to build an arsenal of safe and effective vaccines for the world. And to date, of the 110 million doses we have shipped out worldwide, we have delivered more than 23 million of those to Southeast Asia. Today, I am pleased to announce that 1 million more doses are on the way to Vietnam as we speak and meet at this very moment. This brings the total number of doses we've donated to Vietnam to 6 million. And these new doses will start arriving in the next 24 hours. I should add that all of these deliveries are, in fact, donations, free of charge, with no strings attached. Because for us, this is about saving lives, period. We have also pledged $500,000 to ASEAN COVID-19 Response Fund to support the purchase of more vaccines. The United States remains a strong supporter of ASEAN centrality, including in a regional health security location. And we will look to deepen our public health cooperation with ASEAN going forward. In addition, we have provided more than $150 million in emergency assistance to the countries of this region to help get those shots in arms and to help COVID patients recover. With the launch of this office today, we intend to build on these efforts and help to grow the public health infrastructure across Southeast Asia. Specifically, we want to work with you to improve readiness and response in the inevitable event of a future pandemic or public health crisis. To that end, we are working to train disease detectives we call them, health professionals, through the field of epidemiology and that training program, which has actually been in place in Asia since 1980. We are also investing in research and supporting the creation of emergency management systems. And we are working with all of you to develop the next generation of healthcare professionals, because we know the COVID-19 pandemic will not be the last threat of its kind that we face. And we must be, if we are honest, better prepared for the next one. On that note, at a time when we should be celebrating nurses and doctors, we are especially alarmed by the situation in Myanmar, where the military continues to attack healthcare professionals. President Joe Biden and I are deeply concerned by the military coup and the human rights abuses that have followed. We condemn the violence and stand with the people of Myanmar. This must end. And today we reiterate our call for an end to the violence, the release of those unjustly detained, and a swift restoration of the path to democracy. In closing, in this new era, indeed our world is interconnected and interdependent. Partnership is therefore essential. We must all be willing to take on the challenges together. The challenges, let's take them on together to create opportunities together. That is why the launch of this CDC office and our work together is so very important. Thank you all, and we look forward to partnering with you for the years to come. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Madam Vice President, for being here to celebrate this great event with us. And thank you, Deputy Prime Minister Ming. Deputy Prime Minister, may I invite you up to join for a photo? Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Video circuit for the